Kicking off with English, mastering phrases for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you've probably heard quite often, kicking off with. It's a versatile phrase used in various contexts, and understanding it can significantly improve your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to help you master it. So, let's get started. Kicking off with is a phrase that essentially means starting or beginning something. It originates from sports, where a game often starts with a literal kickoff. However, in everyday English, it's used more broadly to indicate the beginning of various activities, events, discussions, or processes. For example, when someone says, "We're kicking off the meeting with a quick introduction," they mean that the meeting will start with an introduction. Using kicking off with is straightforward. It's typically followed by a noun or gerund, a verb ending in ing that functions as a noun, to specify what is starting. Here are some key points. It can introduce the first item on a list, agenda, or plan. It's often used to generate excitement or emphasize the importance of the starting element. Suitable for both formal and informal contexts, but particularly common in informal speeches, presentations, and conversations. Example sentences. We're kicking off with a performance by the school band. The conference is kicking off with a keynote speech from an industry expert. Understanding synonyms and variations can help you enrich your vocabulary. Some common synonyms include starting with, beginning with, opening with. Each of these can be used interchangeably with kicking off with, depending on the context and the tone you wish to convey. And that wraps up our exploration of kicking off with. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in different contexts is key to mastering them. So, don't hesitate to kick off your practice by using kicking off with in your next English interaction. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.